Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious and good looking egusi soup. So the first procedure is for you to steam your protein. So I will be using some goat meat, beef and some shakri for this recipe. We'll be going in and to make our egusi soup. So first thing first is to place your saucepan. Go in with your palm oil, which is your red oil. Whenever making this soup, I will advise you to get a very good palm oil to not make your soup to have bad taste. So I'm going with our chopped onions. Stir. You're going to go in with your egusi. So you can see how the egusi is looking already. So I added a little water to it. So going to put it, it's either you turn it all at once or you just put it bit by bit, just the way I'm doing it now. So this is just normal egusi, grounded egusi that I mix with water. Cover and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So you're going to come back and check after 5 minutes. So at this point you just keep on stirring to allow it to fry. When it's ready, when your egusi is ready, you're going to know because it's going to come out one. So you're going to fry until your egusi looks like this. You can see how it's looking. I'm going with your pepper mix. So this pepper mix consists of your fresh pepper, then some onions and some tomato, which is of fresh tomatoes. So when you're done with that, you're going to go in with your protein, stockfish, add some smoked fish. So you're going to mix. So you're going to go in some water. Go in with some crayfish powder, salt, your seasoning cubes. They're going to mix. They cover and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you're going to come back, then add your prawns. But note, this prawns is not compulsory, it's optional. Please, if you're just joining us, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch and support me. So after that, you're going to cover again and allow it to cook for extra 7 minutes. So you're going to come back and add some vegetable leaf. You can see how the soup is carrying all obstacles. You can see there is snail on it, there is prawns, there is goat meat, beef, just name it.